Hello students, today in lecture 2 of factorization, we will learn some facts about multiples and factors. I would like to request you all to note it down along with me so that it will be very much easy to understand. First, we will learn about the facts about multiples. These are some basic facts, but we should know and it should be very clear. First is that every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, that is very simple. If I give you an example that 7 is a multiple of 1, then in mathematical way, how will I write? 1 sevens are 7. So every number, why will we take every number? Because every number means 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, and so on. So every number is a multiple of 1. Second basic point is every number is a multiple of itself. This is also very simple. That is, if I say that 3 is a multiple of 3, in mathematical form, how will I write? 3 1s are 3, right? So 3 is a multiple of 3, correct? Similarly, I can also say that 4 is a multiple of 4. How will I do that? 4 1s are 4. So if a statement is given to you that 3 is a multiple of 3, then in the mathematical order you can write 3 1s are 3. This shows that every number is a multiple of itself. Okay. The third point is multiple of a number but it should be not 0. That means other than 0 is always either greater than or equal to the number. How? What is the meaning of this? That multiple of a number is always either greater than or equal to the number. Suppose let us take for example multiples of 4. For that we need to take table of 4. How will we write? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, and so on, right? Now, the first point, that multiple of a number means this is either greater or equal to the number. If I say multiples of 4, the first number is equal to 4 and other all are greater than 4. So, we justify the statement that multiple of a number is always either greater than or equal to the number. Okay. Now the fourth point is that every number has infinite number of multiples. What will be the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Each number has infinite number of multiples. Suppose if I take example of table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and so on. Do you know where will it stop? No. We can say that it will stop at it is, and infinitely we can move on. Okay, so it has got infinite number of multiples. Now these were the 4 points regarding the facts of multiples. Now we shall start with the facts about factors. Now for this, first I would like to give you a proper definition of factors. That what are factors? For that we can write that the numbers which we multiply in order to get a product are called factors. Okay, meaning of this is, before also we saw in lecture 1 that when we multiply two numbers we get a product, right? So the same thing I would write that if I say 5 fours are is 20, then 5 and 4 are nothing but factors of 20. Okay, these are the factors of 20. As to we know that 20 is the product, and here we have multiplied two numbers 5 and 4, so these are the factors of 20. Now I would start with the first fact, that every number but except 0 is the greatest factor of itself. This is very, it is but natural. See, if I say that we write down the factors of 9, then what will we say? 9 ones are 9. Okay, now which are the other factors of 9? We can say 3 threes are 9. Okay, anything else? No. Then the factors of 9 will be 1, 3, 9. So this justifies the statement that every number is the greatest factor of itself. So the greatest factor of 9 will be 9 only. Suppose if I give you another example. If I say write down the factors of 6, that means when will 6, which table 6 will come? I will say 1, 2, 3 and then 6. These are the factors of 6. These also justifies the statement given that 6 is the greatest factor of itself. The last number is 6 and it is the greatest factor among all these factors. So it justifies the statement. Okay. Now, second fact is 1 is the smallest factor of every number. This is also very simple. How? That if I write factor of any number, 1 is there and 1 is the smallest one. Suppose, for example, I say write down the factors of 4. Then we'll start with 1, 2 and 4. So 1 is the smallest factor and the greatest factor is the number itself. So this justifies the statement. Now the third one, that every number but it should be other than 1 has at least 2 factors. Which are they? They are namely 1 and the number itself. The meaning of this is what? You take any number. Okay, it has at least two factors except one. Don't take one because one ones are one, so one is having only one factor. But if I take 7, then the factors of 7 will be 1 sevens are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 1 and the number itself. The factors are 1 and number itself. Clear? Okay. So it has got at least two factors. Meaning of at least is it can have two or more than two factors. Suppose if I take factors of 8, okay, suppose I take factors of 8, then what will we write? 1, 2, 4, and the last number will be 8. Correct? So it has got 1, the number itself, and at least means more than two factors. Other than these two, we have got other two factors also. So more than two factors. Okay, at least means 2 or more than 2. Correct? Now the fourth point is factors of a number is either less or equal to the number. Meaning of this is we can take anything. For example, we say let us write down the factors of number 5. Then they will be 1, 5. Okay. So either it is equal to the number or it is less than. As 1 is less than 5 and 5 is equal to 5. So it justifies the statement that is less and equal. Same another example we will take, and that is factors of 12. I say then 1 is definitely there. In table of 2 we get 12, in 3 yes, 4 yes, 6 yes, and the number itself. Now according to the above statement, factors of number is either less. So all these numbers are less than 12. Okay, and the last number is equal to 12. Understood? So here we are done with the facts of factors. Now please write it down again and revise it. And here I end the day. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll meet again in lecture 3.